Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wagoneer Series 2 Carbide in Baltic Gray. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles in the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7696.